welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I want to make another baby shower centerpiece. It's gonna be, I've made a baby elephant centerpiece before, but this time I want to make it for a girl's baby shower. So before we get any further, I just want to invite you to subscribe to my channel for a variety of DIY projects. So I'm just gonna go over today the things that you're gonna need, and I'm gonna shoot this video over at least 2 days because it's kind of late. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go over the items, and then tomorrow I'll spray paint, and then you have to do some gluing. So here's what you're gonna need. Spray paint of your choosing. I have this French lilac, double-sided tape, a stick, E6000, scissors. I don't have a foam board, but you need a foam board. You need this printout. Make sure you get double-sided because you're gonna put them back to back. Okay. You need a 5x7, 4 of these picture frames from the Dollar Tree. Get you some letters. You might want to just put A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You might want to put an alphabet, or in my case, I'm gonna spell out girl with my letters. And you can get these letters from Hobby Lobby for $1.49. You actually get 2 for that price, so that's a really good deal. You need a piece of foam. I'm gonna be recycling this. Peanuts. Now, please be careful with the peanuts, because if you know of anybody that have peanut allergies, even though we're gonna put them in a box and hopefully they won't get exposed, but you can probably consider using something else to fill your box with. And last, you're gonna need some flowers. So I don't think I'm gonna need that many because I'm gonna cut my foam in half, as you will see coming up. So you probably won't need that many flowers, and I'll let you know at the end of this video. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I have fast forward ahead. I have already assembled the box. I would definitely provide a link to a video showing you in detail how to put the box together, but I did so many box centerpieces, I didn't want to have to go through showing the steps again. So, also, I have already assembled this. I also will link my other baby elephant tutorial, centerpiece tutorial, so you can also see how I cut out this and assemble this as well. Okay, so I'm gonna start by I'm gonna place these foam squares. So I want you to add on some more foam squares so that it can help fill in the box for you. I noticed that I didn't have enough peanuts, and you don't want to have to use too many peanuts, so you could just use the foam as a filler. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and hot glue these down. I really like the way this centerpiece turned out. So I spelled out girl on the box. And if you notice, I used a lot of foam to fill in this centerpiece so I didn't have to use as many peanuts. Again, don't forget to view how to assemble the box. I will leave a link to the video in the description, and also don't forget to view how to assemble your cutout as well. So please like this video. Also share this video with someone that's having an upcoming baby shower. And again, if you have not yet had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so now. I thank you so much for viewing this video. Until I see you next time, bye.